Okay guys, before we start this video, make sure to hit like. Okay, I'll pause. Before we start this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and post notification bells. Now let's get into the video. We're gonna be playing Sharpie. Okay. We're in Sharpie. Oh no! I didn't choose this boat. Oh my gosh! Oh, this is so sick. What? We have no, bro. This is not real. Oh my gosh, the shark. Oh. I'm gonna go near the shark to see what's in it. Oh, okay. What's that? I'm gonna drive fast. Oh. I hope the shark doesn't come to me. That way we are playing shark, right? I'm pretty poor. Oh my god. Oh, let's go. Need a shark. Oh my gosh. This is changed for me now. Oh, it's gonna be so sick. I can reload. Reloaded. I guess loving you is a losing game. Oh my god. Survivor wins. Oh my god. Oh, I'm the only survivor. There's no way. It's a glitch. But remember, you have to make sure this channel is reached. Make sure it's subscribed. So let's get straight. Let's go. Intermission. Okay, guys, I'm gonna say something in chat. I'll say I'm recording. Oh my god, on 20%. I'm gonna try to invite everyone in here. It's a losing game. Let me try to invite everyone. Oh my god, oh my gosh. Oh my god. It's a losing game. Oh, the shark has been released. That's pretty scared me. So let's I'm spawned here. Let me see or spectator. I think he's here. Just sit down. Now, let's get ready for our pew. So, oh my god. I'm the only survivor here. Oh my god. How did the shark miss me? Bro, the shark missed me? Did the shark miss me? Oh no, bro, chill, bro, chill. Like chill. Like chill. Oh my. Oh! Oh boy! Why I die? I was like, why I die? Guys, I'm hearing a sound here. I remember the song. My sister danced this song. Because, I don't know. What? Coming soon. Enter code SharkBait2 for 2 facial. Guys, we need this shark teeth right now. No, I don't know why do I have like this and this. Wait, is this the shark? Whoa. La 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 la. Bro, what? Is this guy? This guy looks like from real life. Looks unrealistic, but not that realistic since he left the game. Let's see that. Is this? I'm gonna try to try to get down easily without touching the ground, without touching the blue thingy. Oh God! Oh, I won. I think I won. Oh, yeah. La 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 la. Oh my God! Did I buy? I think I buy some stuffs. Yo, no, I'm pretty poor in this game. Cause look, the boats I owned. These on this one, oh, I don't know. There's something here. I buy this. Owned military boat, no thank you. Stealth boat, no thank you. Destroyer, no thank you. Catamaran, no thank you. The Titanic. Raptor. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Survivors. What? Wait, we can't go inside this cage? Oh no. I'll be like, I'm trapped. Yeah. I'm trapped. I'm trapped. I can't get out. I can't get out. Do I jump? Do I jump? Do I jump? Do I jump? Oh, there you go. Oh, wait, I'm gonna be... What? I'm just gonna stay at the lobby. That's privilege. Bro. Oh, someone shoot it. It'll be like, burp. Be like so dead. So dead. Shoot him! Shoot one first shot! Bro! Oh! I'm recording using Screencast-O-Matic. I'm recording using Screencast-O-Matic. Yeah, that's true. I'm using Screencast. Oh, I please, VI, be the shark. For action is going to be. Oh, see, what is this true? If it's true, Farah. That's not Farah. Wait, am I gonna join? Wait, I'm not gonna join the lobby? Why? There's predictions who is awarded to our most devoted players who have collected every vote currently available. Choose Did I or not? Did I buy them? Bro, what? Own all on-sale boats. I already bought it. I already pressed it. Let's see if I already. Guys, we should buy the pirate ship. Let's see. This is such a complicated. Guys, I'm pressing E right now. I'm pressing E. The camera. Can you see my keyboard? Can you see my key? Oh, you can't. Okay. Put it back. I'm pressing E, guys. Look. Wait a second. I'm gonna click on it. You see this? You see this, guys? See, I'm clicking. It's in my mouse right now. Still not. How do we get this? Press E. All sailboats claim. Wait, have I already earned? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Why? Buy this. Let me see.